I will show you how to build a tree ring and the mistake that I made. First, dig up 4 inches around the tree, 2 inches for 3/4 rock base, and 2 inches for concrete. I use cardboard to help me measure the 4-inch depth that I need to dig up. I cut along the spine of a cardboard so I can drive the ruler easily through. The cardboard will mark the 4 inches on the ruler. Yep, the cardboard marks the 4 inches on the ruler. So I stand the ruler on the ground so when the cardboard is on the same level as the ground, I know I have already digged up 4 inches of dirt. Next, I use cheap chopsticks and black electric tape to measure 2 inches for 3/4 rock base. The rock base is for drainage and strong base for my concrete so that I can put 4 layers of brick on top with the help of my son. I put chopsticks into the ground up to the first black tabs.
There. Now, con there. Con stick around it. Con stick you into here, into the dirt here.
The second tab is above the ground, and that's where I will fill my 3/4 rock base too.
That's it. Okay. Yeah.
Where did I put it? Anywhere?
No. Put it.
Here?
Yeah. Here.
There.
Huh? Yeah. Okay. Keep going.
Now I put 2 inches of the rock base, the 3/4 inch rock base.
The temper is too big. Too big.
That's here.
Oh.
Your chin look.
Well, one hand hold it. Hold down. Yeah, okay, smack. Okay, keep going. Okay.
The hand tamper is too big, so I use 4x4 lumber to compact the rock base, and I keep doing that until everything is compacted. Next, I use this particular brand, the fast setting concrete, to build my concrete base without mixing water. I hate mixing concrete and I can get away with it by using this brand, especially the depth of the concrete base is only 2 inches, so it's okay. I level my concrete base before adding water. However, it turns out my concrete base was not level, and that was a mistake that I had to fix later on. I still have the chopsticks on the ground, and I should have removed the chopsticks and then used the 2 feet level to check. However, well, my first time. Now I water concrete to set it in place to make a strong base for 4 layers of concrete. I did not think to remove the chopsticks, and it was really tough to remove them once the concrete was set. Because this is fast setting concrete, so it takes only 2 hours to set. Now that I have the rock base and the concrete base on top, I have a very strong foundation for my brick. I don't want to spend $100 on concrete board to make a circle, so I use the red round edge as guide. I laid my bricks around the red round concrete edge to form a circle. Well, you can see here my second layer of bricks on the left and on the right are not on the same level. I was horrified. I was really horrified. Well, I'm hoping for the best, and they are still not leveled. Because my concrete base was not leveled, so my bricks were not leveled neither. I don't want to redo the whole thing, so I keep pushing on, and I will show you what I do next. However, the third layer of bricks are level. I made sure of that. This time I purchased a long level from Home Depot to make sure the third and the fourth layer of bricks are level. Notice the 2 strange looking vertical bricks on the right hand side. I used 3 vertical bricks to mask the unleveling of the second layer of bricks. Hopefully, no one would notice.